Hello, it's good to see you once again. It's me again, and always bringing you the best tips you need to know about computer studies. So, in this video, I'm going to take you through how to create a table of contents. Yes, how to create a table of contents in a Word document. Yeah, we're still dealing with Word. So, this is the document that I'm having. For instance, I'm having a Word document here, and I want to create a table of contents. So, how do you create a table of contents? You have to first identify, because the table of contents has always the titles, the headings that are always in the text or in the document. So you need to first identify those headings, and after identifying those headings, you come to references, and then the table of contents. You place your cursor on the page that you want to put the table of contents, and it will come there automatically. So I'm going to start with how to identify the titles or the headings, yes, in the document. So this is where we are. We're going to use on our tools bar, we're going to use the home. We're going to use home. Then in home, we're going to use styles. We want to identify the heading. So as you see here, the styles the styles that you're having are divided into normal, no space, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, like that, like as you can see. Okay, so in this one, we're going to identify the headings. So this is my document, so I come and identify. This is a heading, but it is heading 1. Reason being, it is like how you can see chapter. Okay, there are also other subtitles which may be below it. So this is my heading 1. And then you also come to the next pages, like any beginning of a chapter is a heading 1. So me, I'm using the dedication and the preface. They're always heading 1 because they're always heading 1. So I'll select them as heading 1. Then I come. So this is where my document starts, Introduction to Psychology. So this one is also my heading 1. It is like a chapter. I select it as heading 1. Then now where you see 1.1, that is now heading 2. Get the difference? Heading 1, they're always the chapters. Then heading 2, they are the sub chapters. So this is my heading 2. So you just click where the document is, and then you come here and say this is heading 1, like that. Then I search through my document, my entire document, until I find the next heading. So I want to get the next heading. Okay, so there is one here. So this one has a point. It is 1.2, so this becomes heading 2. Then we continue like that, search through the entire document and identify those headings. This is 1.3, it becomes heading 2. Then this is 1.3.1. Now that one is below a subheading. So that one becomes a heading 3. Then we go on identifying them like that. And then also another thing, you can format these styles for the different headings. So this is 1.4, it becomes a heading 2, like that. Okay, so I'll assume that we have looked through the entire document and we have identified the different headings that we have in our document. So this one is a heading 2. Okay, and this one is heading 3, just like that. You search through the entire document and you identify all those headings, like according to the characteristics that I've explained to you earlier. So you identify them. If it is a chapter, it is a heading 1. If it is having maybe 1 point, it becomes heading 2. If it's having 2 points, it becomes heading 3, and like that. If it has 3 points, it becomes heading 4. Yeah, like that. So that is how it works. So I have here another heading. So this one is having 2 points, so it is heading 3. There is one here. This is also a heading 3. So you identify all those headings in your document the way you have written them, like that. You're understanding. Heading 3, this is also heading 3, it has 2 points until the entire document is done. This one is heading 3, it has 2 points. So I'll assume that I have finished selecting all the titles, all the headings in my document. So as you can see, this is how the text is appearing. And then I'll come here, view, to view, and then I view the control panel. So it's going to show me the headings that I have selected. So you can check in here in case there is any other heading that you have not selected here, and you select for it. So I have selected all my headings in my text, and after doing that, I come here. I want to insert the table of contents just after the dedication. So I come here to where this text is ending, and I insert a page break. So I have created another page right here. And then after creating another page, I come here and I click here, and I come to references. Yes, references, and then table of contents, just as you're seeing there. I click on it. So you can select the design of the table of contents that you want. So that is my table of contents. I select the design of the table of contents that I want, and then a table of contents is added by default, just like you can see there, like that. So if you want, you can change the design of your heading. So maybe I want to change this one, this heading here, and turn it to black. So you can do that just according to what you have, but the table of contents has been created by default. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment and share. Yeah, I'll be bringing you much more of such educative videos. Thank you.